You attend a Kansas basketball game in Allen Fieldhouse, and the fans are cheering so loud you can hardly hear a thing. However, you look into the student section, and you see students holding up signs, chanting, "Bill Self for President." This is a common wish many students at the University of Kansas have, and I proudly am one of them. Bill Self entered the KU basketball program in 2004 and has changed not only the team, but as well as the entire basketball program from top to bottom. There are many reasons why I believe Bill Self would be a great president of the United States. Bill is a firm believer that practice makes perfect. Self was named Big 12 Coach of the Year for the third time on March 6th of this year, both in the coaches poll and by the Associated Press. Bill Self is not only a role model for many young players and coaches, but he's admired by many for his determination, humble personality, and incredible consistency. Bill Self defines the word leader. As a coach, he would be a very successful president because he knows what it takes to get the results one strives for. Bill would never give up, and this is confirmed by his winning record and being #1 in the country, also having a 95% winning percentage for all home basketball games. Bill Self has done some pretty unbelievable things in just the past few years, and he would continue to take this country in the right direction if we put him in the office. Vote Bill Self for president if you want the United States to be #1 in the world, just like the Kansas Jayhawks are #1 right here in the United States. Thank you.